Hello students, welcome to all. Today we are going to talk about the new topic, fraction. Okay, fraction means what? In real life, we were used fractions, but we don't know which is fraction. I will tell you a simple example. In any situation, real situation, if you have one pizza, okay, or maybe you take simple chapati, okay, you take one chapati. If you have only one chapati, you have two friends. So like this is one chapati, okay, you have two friends, including you, three people. So you have to divide the chapati and you have to give to your friends. So what you will do? You have to share equal part. This one chapati, only one chapati you have. So you have to give your two friends for equal, and you also equal part. So what you will do? So 1, 2, 3. 3 part. So one chapati, 3 part for equal size, equal part. So this is called a fraction. Now how many part? One chapati by 3 part. Okay. So one chapati you divide the 3 part. So 3 by 1. So this is called fraction. In our daily life, we were doing the fractions every day, like this kind of things. In many situations, we were used fractions, but we don't know it's a fraction. Okay, so single chapati I divided into 3 part, equal part. It's called fraction. Okay, now we enter to our topic. Fraction. Fraction means what? Definition. A fraction is a part of a whole. It's a part of a whole. Okay. It represents one or more equal parts of a whole object. Example, I told you chapati. One chapati, we have to separate, we have to divide equal 3 parts. That's mean it represents one or more. So I gave 2 parts. Okay, one chapati I broke into 3 equal parts. So all parts are equal. Okay, that's called the parts of a whole. One chapati we divided into 3 equal parts. So it's called fraction. Okay, in fraction we were used the simple 3 terms, important terms. Listen, the number is above the fraction bar or division bar is called the numerator. It means the upside of the number is called the numerator. This bar is called fraction bar or division bar. Then downside of the fraction bar we call denominator. These 3 words is very important. So see, upside of the fraction bar, the number is called numerator. This bar we called fraction bar or division bar. Downside of the fraction bar we called denominator. Okay, these words is very important. So nowadays, now we are going to use this word daily. Okay students, we saw what is fraction. We saw the definition of fraction. For understanding purpose, I have draw some diagram. Use this diagram. Let me understand what is fraction. Here I put 4 types of diagrams. First I will take the first diagram. Here equal parts, 2 parts there. Equal number of box 2 is there. So one box I shaded. So how we will write in this by fraction? Total number of boxes 2. I will write as a denominator by how many parts shaded? 1 part shaded. So I will put numerator. So you know very well, it's a numerator n, it's a denominator d. Okay, so this is fraction. 1 by 2 is a fraction. Next, second example, equal 4 parts. In 4 parts, 2 were shaded. Like total number of 4s, where we write total number of boxes, where we write downside, means denominator. Okay, so 4 division bar. How many box shaded? 2 box shaded. So where we will write upside, it means numerator. So 2 by 4 is the fraction of this part. Okay, so 2 is the numerator, 4 is the denominator. Okay, here see, total number of parts, equal parts 8. So total number of parts, where we will write downside as a denominator. So I will write 8 denominator. How many parts were shaded? 2 parts shaded. So where we will write upside, it means numerator. So 2 by 8 is the, so 2 is the numerator, 8 is the denominator. Okay, sorry, 3 by 8, 3 parts shaded, so 3 by 8. Okay, then this one, how many equal parts? 5 parts. So how to write 5 as a denominator? How many parts were shaded? 1 part. So we will write as a numerator. So 1 is the numerator, 5 is the denominator. So I hope you understand. These all numbers are fraction. Like see, 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 8, 1 by 5. These all are fraction. Okay. Welcome students. We know what is fraction. Okay. Now let me see the types of fraction. There are 6 types of fractions we are going to discuss. First is proper fraction. Second one is improper fraction. Third one is mixed fraction. Then fourth one is like fraction. Then fifth one is unlike fraction. Then sixth one is unit fraction. So we will discuss one by one. What is proper, what is improper, what is mixed fraction, what is like, what is unlike, then what is unit fraction. We will see one by one. Okay. Okay students, let me see the proper function. What is definition? Okay, a fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator is called a proper fraction. It means, you know very well which is numerator, which is denominator. The number above the fraction bar or division bar, the number is called numerator. Below the fraction bar or division bar, we call the denominator. So the downside, it means downside number always big, upside number always small. This kind of fraction is called proper fraction. It means, here see, 2 less than 8. 8 is a big number, 2 is the small number. Compare that this. So downside always big number, upside always small number. If this kind of fraction is called proper fraction. Okay. Okay students, welcome. Let me see the second fraction, improper fraction. The definition of improper fraction: a fraction in which the numerator is greater than, numerator means upside, is greater than or equal to the denominator. So downside is small, upside is big number. This kind of fraction is called improper fraction, or equal. Upside and downside both are equal. Example 4 by 4. This kind of fraction also improper fraction. Upside is big, small side is small. This kind of fraction is also called improper fraction. Okay. So before we know very well proper fraction. Numerator is small, denominator is big. This kind of fraction is proper fraction. Improper fraction means numerator is big, denominator is small. It means the upside is big number, downside is small number, or upside is equal, downside both are equal number. If it is this kind of fraction is called improper fraction. Okay students, let me move the next fraction, mixed fraction. It means a mixed number is called a mixed fraction is the sum of the natural number and a proper fraction. For understanding purpose, I have taken three types of diagram. So here one circle, here one circle, here two circles I didn't shaded, here half of the circle I shaded. Okay. Now you know very well how to write the write in fraction. So here there is no shaded, whole part is not shaded. So I will write whole number 1. Okay. Then plus here this circle also not shaded, so we can write as it 1. But here one whole circle, half of the part shaded. So how we can write 1 by 2. Okay. So see, so 2 part is there, 1 part shaded. Okay, the 1 part not shaded. So we can write the fraction. If you add this, what will come? 2 into 1 by 2. So 2 is the natural number, 1 by 2 is the fractional number. This kind of fraction is called mixed fraction. Listen. So this is the whole, it means there is no shaded. So I will write whole number. This circle also not shaded. So I will write 1 number. But this shaded for half of the part. So here 2 part is there, 1, 2. So 2 part, one part is shaded, 1 part not shaded. So how we will write 1 by 2? It means 2 is the denominator. It means total part. How many parts? This 1 part, this 2 parts. So 2 part total. So denominator is 2. How many parts is shaded? 1 part shaded. So I will put the numerator. So 1 by 2 is the fraction number. If you add this number, so 2 is the natural number, 1 by 2 is the fraction number. If this kind of fraction is called mixed fraction. Okay students, let me talk about like fraction. Okay, a like fraction means the fraction with the same denominator are called like fraction. You know very well what is numerator, what is denominator. Numerator means upside of the division bar, denominator means downside of the division bar. Okay, so if see 1 by 4, 3 by 4, the downside, denominator both are same. Okay, but numerator is different, but denominator is same. So this kind of fraction is called like fraction. Let me talk unlike fraction. Okay, the fraction with a different denominator are called unlike fraction. Example, 5 by 8, 5 by 3, 2 by 7. The denominator are different. So this kind of fractions are called unlike fraction. Now we will see what is unit fraction. A fraction which has 1 as a numerator is called unit fraction. Example, 1 by 3, here numerator is 1. Another one, 1 by 7, numerator is 1. So this is called unit fraction. 1 by 13, 1 by etc. So on. So which fraction 1 as a numerator is called unit fraction. Okay.